What's up guys, welcome back to the Shelby lifestyle. Now it's been raining for the past couple of days and it's going to continue to do so. So these cars haven't been outside that much, that's why I haven't seen many videos lately. But what we can do in the garage is that we can rev the car. And that got me thinking, okay, because I just recently saw a video of the all-new 2020 Shelby GT500 revving in each of the exhaust modes. I believe the car has like 4 different exhaust modes, but the GT350R actually has 2. What I plan to do today, guys, is I'm going to compare the exhaust of the GT350R against the all-new 2020 GT500 because these are the 2 latest Mustangs you can buy, and I believe they're going to be selling the GT350 alongside the 2020 GT500 on the showroom floor. There's also a few other things I want to point out, guys. Both these cars share the same exact block, that being the 5.2 liter, but the new 2020 GT500 actually has a cross-plane crank versus what the GT350R has, that being a flat plane crank. So I'm very interested to see how these 2 cars sound next to each other side by side. So please let me know, guys, in the comment section down below what you think, which one sounds better. What you will notice though is that the 350R has a much higher red line than the new 2020 500. So both these cars are going to sound pretty dang different. So guys, let's see how the high revving flat plane crank exotic style 5.2 liter Ford sounds against a cross plane crank supercharged variant. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to comment down below what you think. Do you think the GT350R sounds better or the new 2020 500? They really do sound very different. I feel like the GT350R has much more pops and crackles. It is a very unique sounding engine, and I haven't heard any other car that sounds like a GT350 does. That being said, the new GT500 sounds more like a traditional cross-plane crank supercharged Mustang. Make sure to smash that like button, it really does help me out. And also subscribe for much more of the Shelby lifestyle. We do everything Shelby Mustang related on this channel. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see all of you in the next video.